All right, my lovely friends, it is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. It's all about the 10-year yield right now. I don't care about anything else. I don't even care about crude oil below zero right now. The 10-year yield is cratering, 0.55 as I am doing this video blog. And as you can see, if you're looking at stock futures, they are set to drop like 600 points with regard to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. That's the whole thing here. We got to keep our eye on this 10-year yield. Actually, if you're a member of my newsletter, you got a heads up on this yesterday. If you have not yet signed up for my newsletter, what are you waiting for? It's free. There is a link in the description of this video. You get private messages. You'll get heads up on this market. And of course, you'll get trade alerts and buy recommendations. So do it. Do it right now. Anyway, so again, the 10-year yield is cratering. This is not good for this market. Stocks don't like it. This is a signal or a sign that bad things may be coming here. But let's see the games they played today. It's all a game, and you know that. With regard to crude oil, yeah, it made a miraculous rebound, but it's still below zero. You can't make this stuff up. You can't do it. This environment is so twisted. It is so fake. It is so rigged. And it's going to rear its ugly head in one way or the other. Personally, I don't give a damn which way it goes, one way or the other. All I care about for my lions out here and for myself is to be on the right side of it. So, that's exactly what is going to happen. Let's talk about a few other things. Cryptocurrencies are under a little pressure here. Gold is under pressure. Silver is under pressure. Fine. This is perfect for us. Let them play their game. We are going to play ours like we always do. This is how we win long term, period, the end. The Fed's going to inflate. There's buying more debt. They're going to funnel more cash to the Wall Street banks to buy this market. Good. As you can see, let's talk about this real quick. I did an interview with Cross the Street yesterday. A few interviews lately. I explained to people there is zero chance of inflation right now because our economy is dead. There's no money velocity. People keep writing to me, Greg, how can the Federal Reserve be printing all this cash out of thin air? How could they be funneling cash all over the world and the dollar isn't hyperinflating? We're not seeing hyperinflation here. It's very simple. I mean, honestly, if cash is not moving through the economy, if it's just static, the Fed can go parabolic like they're doing now with zero chance of inflation, zero. So don't even think about it yet. The real story with regard to inflation is going to happen in the debt market. Right now, again, we're seeing rates drop. I keep telling you to focus on the debt market for a reason, not because I want to keep saying it. Believe me, we will sustain a massive sell-off in the debt market at one point here. And what's that going to do? When cash leaves the debt market, it's going to look for a place to go. First of all, it's going to put a lot of pressure on the stock market. So you got cash leaving the debt market, cash leaving the stock market. It's just going to go to other assets. It's not going to go to money heaven. That's when cash is going to start to move. That's when we're all going to pay the price for this debt expansion extravaganza into the pit of hell by the new World Central Bank. So this should make sense to you. This is also why I advocate holding hard assets. I also believe cryptocurrencies will skyrocket in this environment when it happens, when we get this massive sell-off. So the Fed can go parabolic, ballistic, whatever they want to, postal, with regard to printing. And that's what they're going to do. They're going to add digits to a screen in epic sums with zero chance of any kind of real inflation at this point. It's not going to happen. We have a dead economy. We have no economy. We have no economy. So with that said, again, we got to open this up. I know I'm running off at the mouth here a little bit, but we have got to open up this economy. The world economy, the charade has gone on long enough. That's it. It's time to move forward here. Otherwise, again, we're already in a depression. Understand that. They don't want you to know that. We have bread lines here, just like during the Great Depression, miles long here. We have tens of millions of people out of work. It's only going to get worse. Okay, we are in a depression. The stock market has yet to reflect that because it's being propped up. It's all fake. We play the game we have. It's that simple. It really is. And we got every angle covered like you cannot freaking believe. Longer term, what are we going to do? We're going to bet against the debt, become our own central bank. We're going to hoard gold. We're going to especially hoard silver. We're going to own cryptocurrencies. We're going to trade the market we have. That's what we're going to do here. You want to day trade? The ultimate day trading system is my quant system. It's 100% free for you. Go to my website, traderschoice.net, and download it. You want to swing trade like I've been doing lately? Use the Boom system. It's also 100% free right on my website, traderschoice.net. Take advantage of these things, people. We will not lose. Okay, I've been explaining this to you since time immemorial. They can play their game. We're going to play ours from every single angle. We're not losing. Okay, understand that. We are not going to lose. No one will under my watch. I will not let it happen. I absolutely refuse. All right, with that said, this guy loves you. Keep your eye on the 10-year yield. It is key here. Okay, there are 3 keys. You know what they are? I covered them over the weekend on my markets a look ahead. These keys are going against the market. Like I said, if it goes against the market, we can expect the market to fall. If these 3 keys went up, well, guess what? We would see the stocks go up. Right now, everything is going against the market. So what do? We play this accordingly. That's it. All right. This guy loves you. Please share the video. See you later. Over and out.